Good morning, friends. Happy C Day. C is for crazy hair, so I hope that you are rocking your favorite crazy hairstyle today. Let's take a look at today's morning message. We are still in the month of May. Yesterday we were here. We're going to take one jump forward, and this is our number for today. Go ahead and say it out loud while I add it to our message today. And let's get our calendar back out so we can find the day of the week. If we're here, we're gonna slide our finger up. This is the day of the week today. Go ahead and say it out loud and help me spell it. I bet you're an expert at spelling this day of the week by now as I write it. All right, and then let's talk about today's weather. This week looks like we're going to have the same weather almost every day, which is exciting. When I look outside my window right now, the skies are very blue and I do not see any clouds. It's my favorite weather, and I will call it sunny. Excellent. Let's go ahead and read the beginning of the message together. May 19th, 2020. Good morning, KA and KB. Today is Tuesday and the weather is sunny. Now let's find out what we're going to be doing today. We'll preview the next sentence together. We have two popcorn words to start us out. This word is a little bit tricky, but we've used it a lot, so you might already recognize what it is. If I were reading this word, I would chunk it in half first. You can stretch the four sounds at the beginning of this word. And then when you go to stretch the end, it looks like it's going to be a magic-y, but it doesn't follow that rule. I is still going to make the short I sound, but C here is going to make the S sound instead. So I would do a little bit of stretching, both sides, chunk it back together. Another popcorn word here. This word is the name of the character, the main character that we're reading about this week. So if you think about just even the beginning sound of this word and the character that we have been reading about for fairy tales. When we look at this word together, again, C is not going to say K here, it's going to say S. And when we stretch O and I together, it's going to say Oi. So we want to stretch it kind of like this. V, Oi, S, S. Those are your hints on that word. And then the last one is our chunky monkey, two popcorn words stuck together. Go ahead and read this sentence on your own. Excellent, and let's read it together. We will practice our Goldilocks voices today. Excellent. With Miss Brandy today for Reader's Theater, you're going to be working on Goldilocks, which is really fun. And remember, if you want to send your reading to the teachers, we'll put you in the Friday Fun video. We're really excited about acting this story out this week. All right, let's take a look at the next sentence and find out what else we're doing today. We have popcorn word, that almost a chunky monkey word. You probably know that one, we use it a lot. Popcorn word. This word you can stretch. There's a bossy R in the middle. We've learned that O-R stand together to say or. And then the Y here is going to make the long E sound. We have a tricky Y. Then we have a popcorn word here. This is an animal. It has a popcorn word inside of it. So see if you can use chunky monkey on that word. And this is another animal. This animal goes along with this character. So if you think about that beginning sound and you connect Goldilocks to this animal, I think you can figure out what that word is. Go ahead and read this sentence on your own. And let's read it together. We will also read a story with Panda bears. So for our read aloud today, I have a very different version of Goldilocks. Her name is not Eve and Goldilocks, it's Goldie Luck. And they're going to have 3 panda bears in that story instead of 3 brown bears. So it's a really fun and very different story today. And let's read our closing together. Love, Mrs. Rasnick, Miss Brandy, Miss Cortez, and Mrs. Donahue. I hope everybody has a very fun, crazy hair day. If you want to leave a comment on the video to say how you styled your crazy hair, we would love to see what you guys are doing at home. Have a great day.